Hi everyone. Hi everyone. As you can see, I have my LED strip here connected through the output of the 3 MOSFET and connected the input of that would be through the ESP8266. So the red is connected to D6, green is connected to D7, and the blue is connected to D5. And then connected the ground. And I got a power supply connected here to the V-in. Now I have here the 12-volt power supply. So I have plugged them in. Now if you can see, I'm pointing that to my browser, turning it on. So the light is on. And change the color. If you feel it is too bright, and put a diffuser. Okay, you can adjust the brightness to maximum. And now you're ready to be able to connect this to the Hue.